Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have a very quick travel tip for you. Have you ever been about to go on a trip and you need your toothbrush and you don't have one of those little cappers? You know what I mean? Those little things that fit over the top so that you don't get like fluff and stuff on your toothbrush. Okay, you could wrap it in tin foil, you could wrap it in saran wrap, sure, if you've got those on hand. But if not, I've got the perfect solution for you, and that is a teepee tube. That's right. Just take a teepee tube and fold it over at the top. And if you've got a nice handy dandy stapler, just staple it, pop it over top of your toothbrush. And then if you want to make sure that it stays on there, you can either rubber band it or you can take another staple. And that's going to keep it from getting mungy in your suitcase. I know it's a silly tip, but hey, you know, I know when I've gone traveling and I end up with a toothbrush that gets mungy, ugh, I hate that. For more fun tips, check us out at sophie-world.com, and happy travels and happy teeth.